The topic is the criminal justice system in Tennessee, and we're talking to Justice A.A. Birch of the Tennessee Supreme Court. And of course, Justice Birch, before we ended that second segment, we were talking about some of the issues that some of the initiatives that the state Supreme Court has made in many areas. And during this final segment, let's talk about what I consider justice and equity kinds of issues. That is the very fact, and I think we've already talked in some instances about integration, about the whole problem of race within the system. But I think that race does play a very, very crucial part, a crucial role in the whole issue of the criminal justice system, not only in the state of Tennessee, but everywhere. And so let's give you sort of a free range to talk about that as an issue within the state of Tennessee.
All right, Dr. Haney, I'd like to start with sentencing. Now, you know, in Tennessee, we have judges who impose a sentence, except in capital cases. And it would be very easy to have a sentencing procedure that was constructed on the basis of if you're convicted of A, then your sentence is exactly 2 years. If you're convicted of B, your sentence is exactly 5 years. But if you have that sort of sentencing, then that ignores the possibility of rehabilitation of the person. It ignores every single potential that that person may have. So we have a set of guidelines that we use in sentencing that take into consideration all of the factors involved, your family history, your social activity, your educational attainment, and your worth and value to the community. All these things are taken into consideration. But now, despite that, I often hear people say, well, I think that Afro-Americans get sentenced harsher, in a more harsh manner than do other persons. And I can't say that that's true, and I don't think anybody can really demonstrate the truth of that. Why? Because every case is different. Every person, every defendant's conduct is different. He or she is involved in different things in the community. He or she has committed a crime or been convicted of a crime that's different in circumstances from the crime anyone else has committed, even though the crimes are called the same. One person might have 10 children at home, and another may have none. So I don't think that's accurate. I will certainly change my tune if someone shows me that that's different. People talk sometimes about the large number of Afro-American males in jail.
Okay, very good.
Obviously, I don't have any real understanding of that other than to understand what I read. But the reason for that,